Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday's Maths. Today we're going to be thinking about counting on to numbers up to 15. So numbers that are more or fewer or greater or less or equal to. And these are all words that we've looked at before, aren't they? So let's have a look at our star words first. So our first star word today is number. So we all know what number means. And then our number names. So all the names of numbers from 0 to 15. So shall we see if we can count from 0 to 15? Let's have a go. Let's start at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. And we put those in order, which is our next star word. They were in the right ordinal order, weren't they? Then we were finding the one that was one more. So more is our next star word. And then the opposite of more, fewer. And then another word that means more, greater. And another word that means fewer, less. And then we're thinking about these two words here that mean the same thing. So same or equal. So it's finding the same or equal number. Well done. Right, so our first game today, our first challenge is to use these resources here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have these numbers and you're going to see if you can cut them out, and then you're going to lay them down on the table and pick one and see if you can tell me what the number is that you pick. So you might say pick number 7. So if you pick number 7, for instance, you're going to see if you can find 7 things. Now you might have 7 blocks at home, or you could use pencils, or you could use toys, or you could use cars or bananas. You can use anything to find 7 of them. Once you've done that, you're going to see if you can find the picture that matches or is the same or equal to it. So you're going to find the picture that has 7 things on it. Once you've done those 3 things, we can use our say-its. So we could say there are 7 cubes or 7 whatever it is you've got. The number of cubes is equal to the number in the picture because we found the picture that is the same or equal to. Then we can have a look back at our number and we can say 7 is 1 more than 6. So we can say 8 comes after 7. So we can work out where 7 comes in our order. There's another one of our star words, sorry. So 7 is 1 more than 6 and 8 comes after 7. So have a few goes at that. Picking your number, making a representation of it, so finding that number of things, find the picture that matches, and then have a go at our say-its. Well done, that's our first challenge. So you might want to pause there and have a go. Welcome back. We're going to practice counting on now. Now we've already done our counting in order to 15, but we're going to have another go. So you may have a dice at home, and if you have a dice at home, you can use that. If not, you can use the number cards from our challenge game. So either roll a number or pick a number and see if you can count on to 15 in the right order. So you might roll the dice and roll this number here. What's this number here? That's right, number 5. So then we're going to count on to 15. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. You might pick this number here. What's this number? Number 12. Good job. So we count on from 12. So we say 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. So have a little go at playing that challenge, either rolling a number or picking a card and seeing if you can count on in order to 15. Well done. How did you get on with that counting to 15? Good job. Right, we're going to have a look at putting things in order again. And this time we've got some little pictures in like a number track. So our first question here says, how many flowers in this box? How many flowers can you see? 1, 2. Me too. And it says create a tower with this many. Now, if you've got blocks at home, you can create a tower. If not, you can use the things that you were using. So you can use your pencils or your toys. But I'm really lucky. I've got some cubes, so I'm going to make a tower that is 1, 2 tall. Well done. Right, let's look back here. How many flowers in this second box? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to create a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Oh, fill in this box and continue to build the towers. So I've got 2, 3. So I'm guessing that I'll have 4 in there. But before I do that, I'm just going to check how many in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and how many in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. How peculiar. Maybe there's one missing from here. But we'll come back to that in a minute. So if we've got 2 and 3, and this one's 5, what one do you think should go in there? 4, that's right. So we could draw 4 little flowers in there, couldn't we? And then make a tower of 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So there's 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what's happening to my towers? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this box. There's something missing from here. Because if that's 2 and that's 3 and that's 4 and that's 5, what should this one be? You're right. So let's draw another little flower in there, and then we can make a tower of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So which tower has the fewest? That's right, it'll be the smallest one, number 2. And which one has the most? That's right, the tallest one, number 6. Oh, you're very good at this. Well done. Right, we're going to have a go at our challenge today to see if we can make some what we call concrete representations of numbers. So here's our number one that we were looking at with the flowers here. But over here, look, we've got another one with dishes. So how many dishes in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to use apples this time. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we are. I've made a representation of 8. Now you can use real apples or real toys so that yours is concrete, not just a picture, but a real thing. And then see if you can make a representation of this one and this one to find out what's missing there. And then you can make the representation and then draw them into the number track here, the number that's missing from here. I wonder what number it is. Oh, look, down here we've got 2 missing spaces. So maybe you can make some representations and find out what is missing from those 2 numbers there. Right, our final job today, seeing if we can get these numbers in order. So we're going to start with less or fewer and see if we can find the one that is one more to make them greater. So which is the smallest number here? You're right. Number 7 is the smallest number. So we're going to start with number 7. What number will come next? Let's count on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 would be the next one. Oh, and then 12. What number would come next? 12, 13, 14. Well done. And then 15. So you could have a go at that. And then have a go here. This one's easier because we've got number 1 to start with. So have a go at ordering our numbers in the right sequence and see if you can get them from going fewest to greatest. I look forward to seeing how you got on.